This Coma brand crane is a 45-ton 4J4 with a hydraulic jib that will extend to over 71 feet and lift 2,200 pounds. The outrigger spread is more than 25 feet and they are fed via hose reels on the outside for quick and easy maintenance. It also has large PVC outrigger pads. This crane is shown with a top seat and optional radio remote controls. Smaller and larger reach cranes are available. Even with the radio remote control, you can plug in a cord as a backup and you still have the manual control levers if needed. Larger models like this come with continuous rotation, automatic spring-applied brakes. The diverter valve is even manually operated. Front outriggers are available with good ground clearance, along with many storage box options and axle configurations. Irving equipment can also install hydrostatic front drive axles to make 6x6 units without raising the frame height for 9-foot tall forms. With full engineering capacity, Irving equipment offers a complete package. We design and build the beds, tell you the axle weights, and offer truck options, all from here in Tiffin, Ohio. Atlas makes cranes from 1 to 90 tons, with the most popular units being the 63 and 73 foot long boom style. These cranes are built by a 100-year-old German company and are job site tested. The models we use for most wall form cranes are the CS versions, which actually stand for Crane Simple, as it does not have any complicated electronics to break down. It does have the required overload devices, and it does it very simply and hydraulically. Hey, we are moving the same loads in and out of the hole every day. We just need it to work consistently. The 63-foot machine has 2 sliding boom sections, and the 73-footer has only 3. These cranes use the least amount of moving parts for any crane built. The extra wide outriggers now go out using only hydraulic cylinders, no more cables. The stabilizer legs also have a pin system to allow them to have great ground clearance while adding double the travel for setting up on uneven ground. We supply most wall form cranes with a hydraulically rotating hook fed through a hose reel mounted on the outside of the boom. No more hidden hoses or trays. They use 4 large slewing cylinders and can swing a full load up a 5-degree tilt. Control options are top seat and radio remote. Irving Equipment is the only authorized importer and installer of Atlas cranes and parts in the U.S. This is a Chifa brand 38-meter concrete pump. Chifa is a 90-year-old Italian company that we have been representing for over 17 years. This model will pump 215 yards per hour, has double wall pipe, and is shown on a Kenworth T880. Lift axles are optional. Airline connection for the blowout cap, lights in the back of the cab, turret, boom tips, lights in the side of the pump for setting up, aluminum side panels all around, HBC remote control with 2 handsets, both proportional, PTO controls. We can get rid of the water here. We can oil it each time the PTO goes in and out. Manual controls for the PTO. 120-gallon fuel tank. The wide straps gives us a couple more inches of ground clearance. There's light on top of the outrigger control valves when I turn on the switch or push on the side lights. E-stop, PVC outrigger pads with a recess in there for aluminum side panels, stack valve, their backup controls, oil level indicator, return oil filter.